Hello, Golden Triangle. This is Hector in Mid-County Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the home of warranty forever. Hey, we're inside the showroom because it looks like it's gonna rain. My hair can't get wet. I look too good without it. Okay, come on. All right, I got Shelby helping me out, and we're in a beautiful 2014 Dodge Dart. Okay, what did Shelby just get into that Dart? Listen, if Shelby can get into this Dart, you get into this Dart. It's gonna be easy. Just come in and see us. Shelby, what does it have in there?
There's plenty of room in here. I'm 6'8". I can get in a Dart. Their deals are so crazy on Darts and Chrysler 200s this month. You need to stop by to see what's going on, because they're gonna blow these things out of here.
Shelby, what's one of the greatest things about coming here to Mid-County Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram?
We got warranty forever.
What's warranty forever, Shelby?
As long as you own the vehicle, you got a lifetime powertrain warranty.
What? Even on an inexpensive, nice car like this Dart?
Darts, 200s, everything that's on the lot.
What?
That is new. And on pre-owned, under 80,000 miles.
Under 80,000 miles and you still get a lifetime powertrain warranty?
Lifetime powertrain warranty.
Shelby, that's crazy.
It is.
It is, isn't it?
It is.
It is. Come on and see us. Mid-County Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the home of warranty forever and of a car that anybody can fit into, the 2014 Dodge Dart. Come in and see us. Get yourself one, the home of warranty forever.